Hi guys! I'm gonna do something. Did you guys hear that? The video that I'm posting is something that I'm super excited about. I have been waiting a couple weeks. I've been doing some stuff behind the scenes. I've been making some purchases, and I am so excited to do this video today so that we can continue to build in this specific content area. So I am, okay, look. I think one of my fire alarm's batteries is low. It keeps chirping. Anyways, so let's get to what today is all about. I am so excited. Okay, God, this keeps falling over. Okay, so this is what I have done this last couple weeks. I have been making purchases off of an app. It's called Marikari, and this app, it's like buying and selling things that are used. So people sell rare squishies or used squishies or squishy bundles, and then I came across these squishy grab bags. This one I purchased because I wanted them. This is the only one that I know what's in it. So we're gonna start with this one. All of those back. So cute. So this is from Heather, and again it was off of Marikari. So look at this, guys. These are costume cuties. So it's, oh, he's so squished. It's a little squishy. See, they're so cute. And he fits inside this little costume. And then somehow, yeah, you just shove him back in and then you let him re-rise. He's so cute. And then the other one. This one's so cute. Okay, I would definitely change up the colors on these because the pink and pink is not drastic enough for me. But it's like a little raccoon. Look at its little raccoon tail. Oh. And then the squishy is this cute little, wow, he's so squished. Look at that back end. So these guys are interchangeable, so they can trade outfits. They can borrow from each other if they really wanted to. So those are my two from Heather. And again, I knew what this one was. So I kind of cheated in that sense. Okay, which one do I go to next? I'm gonna go to this one next because this one, what a cute bag. It feels like there's a lot in there. So this was the 5 to 10. It's from Love Your Nails with Cassandra. Oh, oh. Whoa. Okay. Let's take these out one at a time. Okay, so first we have this chunky little unicorn. Oh, he's got, okay, you're gonna have to see this up close. He's got a toenail. That's what we'll call it. But man, he is thick. Okay, so we got our chunky little unicorn. This guy is so cute. So cute. So squishy. Ooh. So these all, yeah, these are all like the same size, but it's like a cat mermaid. So this is cute. Lots of work needs to be done on this little gal. This one squishes real nice. This one is like a little Barney, but with horns. So it's not a dinosaur, it's a dragon, but it's like a Barney dragon. I'm into that. Oh, it's Drax. Draxie! It's Drax. Okay, maybe I'll just go through on this one and just draw in his wrinkles since he's hairless. It's Drax. Okay, so we got Drax. Oh, I have one of these, but a big one. This one's clean too. Oh, we have got a very dirty dog. The front has this big patch of questionable brown. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Okay, we gotta move through these. Oh! It's an octopus. And it's making a little heart with its little tentacles, like this. Join your friends. Wait. These are siblings. Oh, there's a big hole in his head. Couple holes. Maybe they connect. We got another dog. Oh, that squishes real good. You guys, it's Sunny's child and their family. Oh, a little fish. That's cute. A little fishy. Man, it just keeps going. Oh, we got another kitty mermaid. I don't even know if you can see those ones anymore. Oh, and a little husky pup. So cute. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I think I was only supposed to get 10. Okay. Let's do the other big one. Oh. This one's from Tammy on Marikari, and it was like a 5 to 10 squishies, grab bag style, mystery. But they're different color pairs. This one's a duck. I didn't even need to buy the two because I got two. Oh my gosh. Oh, this one's not a bear. It's a bunny. Did I misread what kind of animals these are? Let's put you guys all back. Let's get in formation, guys. Okay. Oh, okay. So she went for the smaller squishies and sending more of them. So I got this ear of corn. I'd say they gave 5% effort on that face. Fun little barbecue cookout. Ooh! I always love getting the food ones. They squish so good. Here's another kind of big one. Oh, cute. It's a little unicorn cupcake. Got a big old hole in its hair. But it's cute. Okay. And then the rest are a bunch of these little guys. So it looks like I got 3 big ones. 1, 2, 3, no. 5 big ones and 5 little ones. Cool. So there's the food ones, you guys. There's this little like Hawaiian roll bun. There's another Hawaiian roll bun. There's a baguette. And a croissant, which is my favorite. I love croissants. Or like biscuit roll croissant thing. And then a donut with not great icing on it. And I don't know if it's gonna come off. I'm gonna have to figure this out. Okay. These two are from the same gal. Now, she put on here shimmer _ foams. Hers, I believe, was 3 to 5 squishies. I might be saying that wrong. Thank you, Cheyenne. I am super excited to see. Oh, okay. Whoa. Okay. There's more than 5 in here. So a little hamburger bun. It looks like his eyes have been plucked out. Food ones, I'm telling you. And then, oh, I love this. A watermelon squishy on a keychain. Okay, love that. And then look, our lovable octopus. Guys, there's so many noises happening right now. Okay, I'm gonna put you with your friend. Ooh, a lemon. Love that. Got a lemon. Wow, there's a lot more in here than I thought. Oh, a little cake with some frosting and raspberries and a bear on top. Oh, I think this one might be the best squish. That's really nice. Oh, yes. A cappuccino. So it's a cat coming out of a cup, but this is perfect because I want it. Do you guys hear that chirping? I need to go get some batteries and fix that. So thank you, Cheyenne. Let's open up number 2. Ah! Ooh. So again, another little roll. Let's get smart about this one. Got that real good tape on there. So this is one of those squishies that it had a face and the face was probably peeled off. These are awesome to have. Look. It doesn't have the best squish, but the thing that's nice about it is it's super cute. If a unicorn has wings, it's called, I don't remember, but it's not a unicorn. I know that because it has wings. So if you know what it's called, put it in the comments so that I can remember, because I don't remember. Go! A brain. This might be the most interesting squishy that I have. Okay, we got ourselves a brain. We're taking it. You guys remember where this one came from? It came literally from this. But this one has a booty hole. Yeah! And another cup shape. Yes. So it's like a, it's not like a, it is a popcorn tin with popcorn in it. So either one of these would work perfect. So I'm super excited that I have these because I have lots of ideas. Okay, well, this was awesome. Oh, okay. So she wrote me a note. She says, @shimmer_foams on Insta squishy account. So I'm definitely gonna go look through that. Let's see. Have ourselves a little note here. She says, hi, thank you for purchasing 2 grab bags. I do cheaper sales on my squishy Instagram @shimmer_foams. I hope you enjoy all your squishies and this letter. Thank you, Cheyenne. I loved the squishies. I am super excited to get going with these. So what I need from you guys is I need you to tell me what of all of these do you want me to redo? So what makeover should I do next? If you want me to do something, let me know what it is you want. Put it in the comment section. You can say 1 thing, you can say 5 things, you can say however many you want, and then I will take those most requested and I will put them into action in my next squishy makeover video. This guy. That's why I'm doing an unboxing videos, because I want to be able to build content around what you guys want to see. So let me know what you want. Thank you so much for joining me. Go follow me on Instagram. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave all the comments in the world because I want to know what it is that you guys want to see. I'll talk to you later. Bye.